Alright, so if BlueStacks is not opening on your PC, yeah, that can be frustrating. But most of the time, it's something simple you can fix in a few steps. Let's go through it. First, restart your computer. Yeah, it sounds basic, but it often fixes temporary glitches. Now try opening BlueStacks as administrator. Just right-click and select Run as Administrator. Make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS settings. BlueStacks needs this to run properly. Outdated graphics drivers can stop BlueStacks from launching. Update them to the latest version. Close heavy apps running in the background. They can block BlueStacks from starting. Sometimes antivirus software blocks BlueStacks. Try disabling it temporarily and open again. If it still doesn't open, update BlueStacks or reinstall it completely. Make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements to run BlueStacks. And yeah, that's how you fix BlueStacks not opening issues. Just go step by step and you'll usually get it working again.